In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to collaborate in Asana projects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring teammates into a project so everyone can see the same tasks, leave updates, and move work forward together. Start by heading to Asana in your browser and signing into your workspace. Once you're in, make sure you're looking at the project where collaboration needs to happen. You can open it from the sidebar, search for it by name, or jump in from your recent items. It doesn't matter if your project is in list, board, or timeline view. Inviting collaborators works the same way across views. At the top of the project, look for the Share option near the project title. This is the control that manages who has access. Clicking it opens a small window that shows current members and lets you add more people. Think of this as the project's guest list. Anyone you add will be able to open the project directly from their Asana account, and depending on your plan and settings, participate in the work. Now add the people you want to collaborate with by entering their email addresses. Use your organization's work emails when possible, so access is consistent with your team's policies. You can add one person at a time or paste multiple addresses separated by commas. Take a second to double check spelling. A quick review here prevents confusion later. If the person isn't already in your Asana organization, they'll typically be added as a guest, which still allows them to see and contribute to just this project. When you're ready, click Invite. Asana will send out the notifications automatically. The invitees will receive an email and an in-app notification guiding them straight to this project. You'll start to see their profile icons appear in the project member list as they join. If your plan supports different access levels, the project will respect those settings once they come in. Your collaborators can now view tasks, add comments, attach files, and update statuses in one shared space. That's all there is to it. Go to Asana, open your project, use Share, enter the email addresses of the people you want to work with, and click Invite. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Keep your project membership focused so updates stay relevant. If someone no longer needs access, you can manage membership from the same share area later. And after inviting, consider posting a short welcome comment in the project to set expectations and link to any key resources. You've just learned the simplest, most reliable way to collaborate in Asana projects. Thanks for watching and happy coordinating.